Hello, welcome to Factory Tour Part 2. This is our continual band sealer CBS 1100, and here is a temperature controller, vertical sealing temperature and decoder temperature. Here is a switch. You can control the temperature here. This machine uses a stainless body. On the here's a handle. This can change the height of the machine, so you can move up to sealing the big heavy duty bag, lower you can to sealing the small bag. It's very useful. Let's back to the front. Let's have a look at those two temperature controller. Right now is way lower the required temperature. Now we're waiting for the machine to warm up to reach the right temperature. Now we reach the right temperature. We put the plastic bag into the machine. After go through this tunnel, and this bag will be sealed also with a production date or expiry date on the bag. And the sealing is very strong, very good, very solid. This is a liquid bag filling machine, HP 1000L model. This is a panel of this machine. From this panel you can control the machine settings. Right now we can see there is a red light. The red is horizontal. Now horizontal is in good temperature. On the top, the green light is a vertical temperature. Now we're waiting for the vertical. The green means still heating. The red means reach the right temperature. This is a decoder on the top. Under the decoder is a vertical sealing. On the bottom is a horizontal sealing. We're using the copper block as a heating block. Let's back to the controller. Right now the temperature both are reached the right position. We will to run the machine. Right now, before the start machine, you need to make sure the bag is being locked. Press start button. Now we have the liquid in the bag. It's very strong, very good bag to packing the water and other liquids like milk or juice, other products. Let's have the side look of this machine, how they working with the machine packing the liquids. This tube is a filling tube. The liquids come out this tube straight down the bottom of the bag. Now let's look on the back of the machine. Open the back door, we can see the inside. During the machine running, the inside is a function will be like this. And that's it. That's it for this machine, the water packing machine. Let's move on to the next machine, double chamber vacuum machine, DZ400 2SB. This machine designed for vacuum the food or other stuff. Now let's have the close look of this machine. Here is the control panel of this machine. On the This on the left hand side, pressure meter, it shows the vacuum pressure. On the central is digital panel, it shows the vacuum time. You can adjust the vacuum time here. The right hand side is a power panel, it shows the machine running or not. Now we have some tests. We have some bag and put some stuff in the bag, try to see how this working, and we using the locker to lock down the bag. Make sure the bag in the right position and make sure it's flat. And now we press down the chamber, the machine start working, and the panel will count down the time. Once when the vacuum cover will pop up, it means the process is being done. Now let's see. The bag will be vacuum. It's very tight and no air inside the bag. Let's try again. Let's to see how the working on the two chamber on the one time. We can put the one bag or maybe more bags on this side of the chamber, and like before, make sure the bag in the right position. And now we move the chamber cover and press down, let the machine working. And now we put another bag on another chamber. Let's see how the working. One side is ready, move to the another side. Let's have a look of this bag. It's very good sealing, and the air is being sucked out, very firm and very tight. Now another side also is ready, also have very good packing and sealing. It look very good. This is our BSL 560A shrink packing machine. Let's take a close look. Here is a control panel. This is showing temperature of sealing, and you can control the temperature here, also the speed here. Right now we already start the machine, waiting for the temperature to reach the right number. And over here is a control panel for shrink tunnel. Here have some detail information. Also you can control the tunnel here. It's a separate machine, but we put together as a one automatic machine. Now our worker doing the final test. Make sure that everything goes well, and then we will do the sample run. First of all, we need to make sure the sealing is good, so we can run the multiple times to test the sensor, also the sealing, make sure it's filled, and then we'll move to the shrink tunnel to see the temperature is good or not for the web. Yeah, look like pretty good. We will try again. We put the one box and it's been sealed, and then move to the tunnel. Here will be shrink. Here we go. We have the box with the shrink packaging. Now let's try the multi-box at one time. How to see that automatic continue working. After sealing, they will move to the shrink tunnel. Yes, we have already been shrink the box. Yeah, it's very good, easy using. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave comments down below or send us by email. Bye.